Hey guys, welcome back to the Client Craft Setup and Configuration video series. Once again, my name is Paul Rosenbeck, and I'll be guiding you through this process of setting up your CRM software from beginning to end. Today, we're going to go over customizing your personal profile and setting up your contact information. All right, so here we are in the My Profiles tab, and just for reference, this can be found by, let me move myself out of the way here. The main sidebar when you're on your dashboard, when you first log in, if you go down to the settings button, which is bottom left on the sidebar on that initial page, then you'll find My Profile on the sidebar, left-hand side, top under business info, and you just click on that. Okay, so now we're in here. You'll see several fields where you can input your information. So go ahead and put in your name, your email address, your phone number. Personal calendar, you don't have to worry about yet. We will get there in a few minutes. Select your platform language, and you can even put your email signature in down here. And to add your profile picture, you can simply click on the circle here, and you'll be able to upload a photo from your computer. You can use a headshot, something professional. I choose to use the company logo. It's completely up to you, whatever your heart desires. The image should be no bigger than 2.5 megabytes and 512 by 512 pixels. Now, once all that information is added, you'll see, mine isn't highlighted, but if I were to change something here, update profile and save all of that. All right, so if you go back up to the top on the right-hand side, you'll see change password. Pretty self-explanatory. You simply put in your existing password, your new password, then confirm your new password and hit update password, and you're all set. Now, if we scroll down to the bottom left-hand side, you'll see user availability. You're able to add a Zoom or a Google Meet location for video conferencing. This is where you can select your time zone, and this is also where you're going to input your availability, and this will sync to your calendars as well. Last but not least, if we scroll back up to the top, you'll see general, and you'll also see notifications. So notifications tab, let's click that. And you'll see here, so conversation notifications. So when you receive an SMS message, you'll get notified in any of these ways that you select. It's in-app, email, or SMS. And so again, go through these. You can decide how you want to get notified, what you want to get notified for. All right, guys, that's it for the My Profile settings. For now, like I said, we'll touch base on calendar settings and integrations in a later video. But for now, I will see you in the next video, and make sure you post in the comments if you have any questions, and I'd be happy to answer them for you. Take care.